Hi there, Matt here. How are you all doing? Hope you're well and safe. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple face covering, one very much like this one. This one has flexible nose piece and also has a little pocket to put in a filter, so that can be disposed of after you've worn it. First of all, you need to choose your fabric, and the best fabric to use is 100% cotton fabric. This is lovely, but this is no good. You don't want anything that's stretchy. The rectangle of fabric needs to be 35 centimeters long and 22 centimeters wide. So the first thing you need to do is to fold your fabric. You need to create an opening at the top here for where you put your filter in. So if you mark that with a pin, now you need to sew from here to here and here to here. So you're leaving this bit here open. Move the seam down to the middle here. Press that under and under again, so you don't have any raw edge along here. And you want to sew along that seam you just created. You also need 2 pieces of 18 centimeter elastic. These need to go inside and pinned at the top and the bottom. So once that's pinned in place, you want to sew down the sides, down here and down here. Turn it out through your hole, bag it out as you call it. If you want to, you can put in a flexible nose piece. You can use a pipe cleaner or some floral wire, which is what I have here. You want to push it to the top and kind of put it in there in the middle. And then you just want to sew just along here. We need to do the pleats, so it's about 4 centimeters apart. Fold it about halfway down your marking, pin that in there. Same with that one. And we need to sew all the way down here. And there we go, one completed face covering. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Hopefully it'll fit quite nicely. Looking good.